Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring Lively is installed and running. You need the app open now. Once open, go straight to Add Wallpaper. Do not waste time in settings. You must pick a compatible file type, MP4, GIF, WebM, or a live URL. Drag the file into the Add dialog or use Browse to select it. Make sure the source file is complete and not a partial download, because corrupt inputs cause silent failures later. Once your file is loaded, you configure how it behaves and why those settings matter. Choose resolution and fit mode to avoid stretching. This preserves aspect ratio and reduces CPU load. Enable loop and mute if it's background only. Toggle GPU decode to off if visuals stutter. Trim long clips to shorten RAM use. Use performance mode when on laptops. You should name the wallpaper and run a quick preview. That verifies playback and detects audio or frame issues before set. Finally, apply the wallpaper and confirm it appears on your desktop. Choose per monitor assignment if you have multiple displays. If you see a black screen or dropped frames, restart Lively first, then check GPU drivers and hardware acceleration. Those are common causes. Try switching file formats or re-encode the video at a lower bitrate to reduce CPU use. If problems persist, open Lively's logs to identify errors, and as a last resort, reset or reinstall the app to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.